Hello there, welcome at GNS3.mp4. Let's take a look at how to solve the OSPF over frame relay point-to-multipoint lab. So this is our topology, 4 routers, frame relay switch in the middle, it's already configured for you. This is my hub router called Barracuda, and I got 2 spoke routers called Salmon and Herring. 2 virtual circuits, and these are the DLCI numbers. So let's take a look at the goals that we need to achieve. First of all, let's configure all these IP addresses. Of course, we are going to use frame relay, and we will disable frame relay inverse ARP. So let's take a look. One more. There we go. So we got all the IP addresses, we are using frame relay, I disabled frame relay inverse ARP. So what we need to do now is configure the correct frame relay map statements. And I'm already going to type in the keyword broadcast, which we will need for OSPF. And of course I'm going to specify broadcast here as well. There we go. Alright, let's take a look, see if I can ping the other side. Alright, now that's looking good to me. So I got all the correct frame relay map statements. For OSPF, let's change the network type to point-to-multipoint. With OSPF by default it's point-to-multipoint, but I'm just going to show you how it works. What else are we going to do? We need to configure OSPF, and we want full connectivity. And we are not allowed to use the neighbor command. If you're not able to use the neighbor command, what I did with the frame relay map statements is add the keyword broadcast, because by default frame relay is non-broadcast, and when you cannot do any broadcast you need to use the neighbor command, because then you can tell OSPF to use unicast. But we are not going to use this, so that's why I took the broadcast keyword. So I should be able to enable OSPF and it should work just fine. One neighbor is up. Let's wait till the other one is full as well. There we go. So I got my two neighbors. Let's take a look at the routing table. And let's try to ping those two loopbacks of the spoke routers. That's all working perfectly fine. And let's do some pings from the spoke routers as well. That's looking good to me. And there we go. That's all there is to it, to configure an OSPF over frame relay with the network type point-to-multipoint. Thank you for watching and till next time.